Hello, welcome to the Exponential English Podcast. Today we will do a short English level quiz. In about 7 minutes, you can check your level. Are you a beginner, A1? Are you intermediate, B1? Or are you advanced, C1? This quiz is not a perfect test, of course, but it is a fast, useful check. We will do 5 questions. Each question tests a different skill: grammar, vocabulary, natural English, listening, and sentence focus. Here is how to do it. For each question, I will give you 3 choices: A, B, or C. You choose the best answer. Then I will tell you the correct answer, and I will teach you why. Get a pen or use your phone notes. Write your score. 1 point for each correct answer. So the highest score is 5. Ready? Let's start. Question 1. Conditional sentences. Listen carefully. If I buy nons more time, I would learn English faster. A. Have B. Had C. Will have pause and choose A, B, or C. Okay, the correct answer is B. Had. If I had more time, I would learn English faster. Now, why had? This sentence is not about real time right now. It is an unreal situation. It means, I do not have more time. It is a dream or an imaginary situation. So we use this structure: if plus past simple, would plus base verb. If I had more time, I would learn faster. If I lived closer, I would visit more. If she knew the answer, she would tell you. Now, a common question is this: why had and not have? Because in this type of conditional, we use the past form to show it is not real. And notice something important. It is if I had, not if I have, in this sentence style. Also, it is had for I, you, we, they, he, she, it. If he had, if she had, if they had. Now let's do 2 quick practice sentences. Repeat after me, slowly. If I had more money, I would travel more. If I had more money, I would travel more. If she had more confidence, she would speak more. If she had more confidence, she would speak more. Good. 1 point if you chose B. Question 2. Prepositions with verbs. Listen. I am waiting blank you. A. For B. To C. On pause and choose A, B, or C. Okay, the correct answer is A, for. I am waiting for you. This is very common. In natural English, we say wait for the bus, wait for me, wait for your friend, wait for the results. Now, wait on can exist, but it usually means something different. For example, in a restaurant, the waiter is waiting on the table. That means he is serving them. But for normal daily English, for most learners, remember this: wait for. Now, I want to give you 3 more very common verb plus preposition pairs. These are extremely useful. Listen and repeat. Listen to music. Listen to music. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Talk about your plan. Talk about your plan. Great. Now a quick mini quiz. Which one sounds natural? I'm listening music. Or I'm listening to music. The natural one is I'm listening to music. Good. 1 point if you chose A. Question 3. Adjectives ending in ing and ed. This is a classic confusion. Listen to the sentence. This movie is really blank. A. Bored. B. Boring. C. Bore pause and choose A, B, or C. Okay, the correct answer is B. Boring. This movie is really boring. Now, here is the simple rule. An ing adjective describes the thing. It describes what causes the feeling. A boring movie causes boredom. An exciting game causes excitement. A surprising story causes surprise. An ed adjective describes the person. It describes the feeling inside someone. I am bored. She is excited. They are surprised. So, the movie is boring. I am bored. The class is interesting. I am interested. The trip is tiring. I am tired. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. The lesson is interesting. I am interested. The long flight is tiring. I am tired. The news is shocking. I am shocked. Great. Now, one more quick check. Which one is correct? I am boring or I am bored. Most of the time, you mean I am bored. I am boring means you make other people feel bored, so be careful. 1 point if you chose B. Question 4. Connected speech. This is listening. Native speakers connect words. They link sounds. They drop sounds. They speak fast. So the question is, can you understand it? Listen to this sentence. I will say it slowly first. I don't know what you did last night. Now I will say it more naturally, faster. I don't know what you did last night. I don't know what you did last night. Now the question. What did I say? A. I don't know what you did last night. B. I don't know what you ate last night. C. I don't know what you said last night. Pause and choose A, B, or C. Okay. The correct answer is A. I don't know what you did last night. Now let's break down the connected speech. In fast speech, I don't know often becomes I don't know. Not in formal writing, but in real speaking, it is very common. I don't know. I don't know. Also, what you can sound like whatcha. What you doing can sound like what you doing. Again, this is normal speaking. Now I want to train your ear. I will say 3 short lines fast. Your job is to listen and repeat. Ready? I don't know. Repeat. I don't know. What you doing? Repeat. What you doing? I'm gonna go. Repeat. I'm gonna go. Good. Now, let's connect one full sentence. Repeat after me. Slowly first. I don't know what you did last night. I don't know what you did last night. Now faster, more natural. I don't know what you did last night. I don't know what you did last night. Nice. If you got this one correct, that is a strong sign of higher listening ability. 1 point if you chose A. Question 5. Sentence emphasis. This is about focus. It is about what you want to highlight. Look at this sentence. I study English every day. Now you can change the feeling by changing the order. Which sentence gives more emphasis to every day? A. I study English every day. B. Every day. I study English. C. I every day study English. Pause and choose A, B, or C. Okay, the correct answer is B. Every day I study English. This is natural English. When we move every day to the front, we emphasize it. We are telling the listener, this is my habit. This is consistent. Compare these. I study English every day. Every day I study English. Both are correct, but the second one feels stronger. It sounds a little more dramatic, a little more focused. Now C is not natural. I every day study English sounds wrong in normal English. So remember this pattern. Time phrase at the beginning, comma, then the sentence. Every morning I drink water. On weekends I sleep a bit more. In the evening I review vocabulary. Now let's practice emphasis with your voice. Say this with strong stress on every day. Every day I study English. Every day I study English. Good. 1 point if you chose B. Now, let's count your score. You had 5 questions, so your score is from 0 to 5. Let's interpret it. If you got 0 or 1 correct, you are likely around A1, beginner. That is totally okay. It just means you should focus on simple building blocks, basic grammar, basic daily vocabulary, slow listening. If you got 2 or 3 correct, you are likely around B1, intermediate. That is a great place to be. You can communicate. You can understand many things. Now you need to improve accuracy and naturalness. More real listening, more speaking practice, more useful phrases. If you got 4 or 5 correct, you may be around C1, advanced. Nice. That means you understand natural structure, you notice small details, and your listening is strong. Now you should focus on fluency, speed, and deeper vocabulary, and you should practice speaking with real topics. Now, one important reminder. This is only a quick quiz. A real level test is longer. It checks reading, writing, speaking, and listening in many situations. So don't feel stuck in one label. Your level can change fast if you practice the right way. And even more important than your level is your daily habit. Because daily habit wins. Every day, a little English. Every day, a little progress. Now, before we finish, I want to give you a simple next step based on your score. If you are A1, here is your next step. Choose 10 simple sentences, daily routine sentences, and repeat them every day for 1 week. Slowly, clearly. If you are B1, here is your next step. Choose one short video you enjoy, 2 or 3 minutes. Listen, pause, repeat. Copy the rhythm, copy the pronunciation. This is shadowing, and it works. If you are C1, here is your next step. Speak for 2 minutes every day without stopping. Record yourself. Then listen and notice. Where do you hesitate? Where do you repeat the same words? Where do you lose clarity? Then improve one small thing the next day. That is how you grow. If you enjoyed this quiz, subscribe for more simple English lessons. And if you want a full study plan, check the link in the description for my online program. Thank you for learning with me today. And remember, every day you can become better. See you in the next video. Before you go, remember this. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Learning English is the same. Some days are easy, some days are slow, some days feel frustrating. That is normal. What matters is that you show up, you listen, you repeat, you try again. If you stay consistent, your English will grow, slowly, naturally. This is exponential English. Small steps, every day, big change over time. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take a breath, and when you are ready, keep learning.